because like here at Bluwave, like here in our workspace, is that I don't want you to lose your identity because you're coming to work. I don't want you to have to like sacrifice who you are as a person, you know, because in Samoa, there's a saying in Samoa, like I've said this 100 times as well, is that if there's no language, there's no culture. If there's no culture, you lose your identity. So, and it's your identity that brings out your creativity. You bring that extra spark. You bring that the X factor to the table. It's because of who you are as a person, your environment, where you grew up at. You know, perfect examples like, well, we got Hannah in front of us. You know, Hannah is rediscovering herself, her identity and culture side. And we're seeing this grow. Not only are we seeing it grow off camera, but we're seeing it grow in front of the camera. You know, she's becoming more and more confident. She's becoming more and more aware. You know, just like with Asiata, if Asiata was not Asiata, I don't think that Toteya would be like that.
Exactly.
You know, if Asiata started talking like a Palangi, I don't think anybody would be watching it. So everyone is unique. We can't have everyone blend in as one color, as one shape. Everyone brings their own identity to the program and to Bluwave.